Okay, so on to our last and final task, task 4. Glad you made it all the way to the end. So here's what we've done so far. Just a little recap. We changed around our text about Gandhi to reflect the rest of the document. We've left a comment that we want our partner or collaborator that's working on this paper with us to take a look at. We pasted an image in and kind of messed around with the color and just how it appears. And then we inserted the table, and again we made altered that as well. So the last thing we're going to mess around with, which is a really nice tool and can really make your documents pop and stand out, is going to be this drawing tool. So you're going to go to Insert, Drawing, click on Add New, and this window will pop up, and you can put a lot of different cool things in here. So we're talking about Gandhi. So because we're talking about Gandhi, usually you talk about his influence on other people with nonviolent resistance. Martin Luther King Jr. was one of those people. So let's go ahead and add an image of Martin Luther King Jr. in. So you can actually add images to these drawings. So click on the image tab, and just like before, there's different ways to search for it. We're just going to do a quick Google search. So we'll type in Martin Luther King Jr., see what comes up. And all right, let's pick this one here. Okay, so we would click on that, hit select, and it should pop up in our drawing text box. Okay, we're going to make it a bit smaller. The other thing we're going to do, which is pretty cool, is we are going to crop this picture. We don't want all this stuff in the background. We really want Martin Luther King to stand out. So in order to crop the picture, we're going to go to this square looking thing. It says crop image. Click on it. And we're going to kind of crop out the background here. So it's just Martin Luther King Jr. with the people. Okay. All right. And once you're good on that, you hit replace. Oop, don't hit that. You hit, you click outside of here. Sorry. And then you can see that background noise is gone. Here's something else you can do. There's a lot of different shapes in here. For our purposes, we're going to use an arrow. Scribble's pretty cool. I'll just show you that really quickly. And if you want to write me a message, that'd be cool. You don't have to, though. But you can make any shape you want with it. It's a free drawing thing. So if you're really, really bored and you want to get your drawing on, that's one way to do it. Or if you want to just write, hey, Mr. P, you can. Don't have to, but you could. Okay. We'll undo that. All right. So, where were we? So we're at select a line. We're going to use an arrow because we want people to see that this was Martin Luther King Jr. here. Okay, we're going to extend it out. And you can see my arrow is facing the wrong way. So a really easy way to fix that is we'll just reverse it. We'll click on this arrow here. And we will maybe reverse it around. Oh, we got to click on the circle here. Sorry. Reverse it around. And we're going to move it. Okay. And I want that to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to go to the up here at the top where it says line weight. I'm going to make it 3 points. I could also alter the color if I wanted to. Let's make that red to really stand out. And the last thing we want to do is we want to label who this guy is, right? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to actions. Sorry. We're going to click on word art. And we're going to just type in, how about MLK for Martin Luther King Jr. We'll type that in, click anywhere outside the box. Here's what it looks like currently. We want to reshape that a bit. right? Make it look like that. And again, you can alter how this looks. So I want to make this kind of match this red line here. So I'll go to fill color. I'll go to red. And there you go. You can also change the border of the letters itself. Let's say I want to make the border yellow, and you can see that's outlined yellow. You can also, for the fill color, change it to gradient, which I really like. It's got more of a shadowing to it. So let's do dark red. And there it is. Okay. So that is our little drawing we made. Once you're done, you hit save and close, and it should pop up in our document. There it is. And again, you want to reshape it, you can. I personally really like, I don't know why that happened. I personally really like, again, doing this wrap text. I think it makes the image a lot more movable, right? I can just move it wherever I want, and the text will kind of wrap around it. Not your table, apparently, but your text will, right? So if we wanted to go up here, you can see. There it is, right? Okay, so this is your fourth and final task. At this point, this is basically what your document should look like. You should have a picture of Gandhi altered to be purplish. You should have a table that's yellow and has been altered a bit. Your text should be altered as well. There should be a comment that you shared with me. And then this Google drawing should also be in there as well. Once you're done with that, please hit share and share it with me. One last thing I want to point out, and then I will stop talking, is this. I've said it before, but just in case you didn't know, under important classroom resources is this Study Skills Google Hangout link. And if you click on this here, it will bring you right to our Google Meet link. And during our meeting time, which if you are in Study Skills 4A, that's 1:30 to 2:30 on A days, which currently is on Tuesdays and Fridays, or 10:15 to 11:15 on B days, which currently is Mondays and Thursdays. If you are around at those times and you want to talk to me for helping with another class, or you just want to say what's up because it's been a while since we've talked, that's cool too. I will be sitting in that room waiting to help any of you if you need the help. So please use that resource if you need it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy your day.